Hi guys, to receive this with LED forward Crystal Chandelier for a viewing purpose, and I think it would be nice. I'm gonna take it out of the box first with this floor and take everything up. It comes very well protected. And it comes with the LEDs, which is really nice. I like that. And here is part of the chandelier. And here we've got everything you need to install it. The instruction. So let's go and install it. I'm gonna install it here in the office, so let's go. Okay, as you can see, the golden pendant light, it's ready. It's very bright, and it looks amazing with these like glass shards that hang, which give it a really classy look. All the gold finish looks amazing, and as you can see, it's really easy to install it. You didn't have any problems with installation, so it's a really nice lamp to have in your house, decorating your, I don't know, kitchen, your diner, or even your receiver when you're expecting visits. So I would recommend it. It's nice, easy to install, and lights up very bright. So, see ya!